Hello everyone. Welcome to Eden's Plate, and today we are going to make another recipe. Well, at least show you something else. So we are going to be working with textured vegetable protein. Now, if you are vegan, this is your mince alternative. If you're looking for this, it can be found at Woolworths or Coles in the health food section, and it's about $3 for a 200 gram packet. Okay, so what you are going to do when you get home, just open the packet and then pour it into a pot or a heat-proof bowl. And we'll need to add some boiling water. The reason why we're adding boiling water is the textured vegetable protein is quite hard. Okay, so basically what it is, it's dehydrated soybeans or soy. Okay, so, watch out. I'm going to add my boiling water now, just making sure that the whole thing is nicely covered. So what you're trying to get is a very moist textured protein. Okay, so you're trying to get all that boiling water to be absorbed by the protein. Just let that sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, what you'll need to do is to drain out any excess water. Once you've drained the water, then you are ready to use this particular product as a mince alternative. So it's only 200 grams, but once the water is absorbed, it ends up being about doubling the size, so about 400 to 500 grams. Okay, so this is one meal for us at only $3, so it's much more economical, and you can basically just cook what you would do with mince. So we have it as with spaghetti bolognese, we've had it with chow mein, we use it in Mexican tacos, curries, you can make it into a curry as well. And what else do we do? Maybe meat pies. Okay, so we put that in pies as well. So this is quite delicious, and you need to remember it's quite bland. So when you are cooking with this stuff, make sure you're adding lots of fresh herbs, okay, sauces, and it will continue to absorb all that delicious flavor. Okay, so that's it. So that's our mince alternative. See you later.